It's a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, tow haul mode, trailer hitch receiver, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and Vortec engine. Motor Trend explains, on the road, the Silverado was exceptionally pleasant to drive. The ride was very smooth for a truck, and bumps and pavement imperfections were soaked up nicely. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.